Wow, I did not expect this. 3rd of October, 26 degrees. I'm at Albufeira Marina and it's absolutely rocking, guys. Come and join me. So there's a view of the beautiful marina. You've got all the boat tour stalls in the background. And check this out. Look at the queue for the boats here. These are going on a boat called Dreamwaves. I'm not too sure where it's actually going. I'll try and find out. Where's the boat going to, mate? Where's the boat going to? Yeah.
Which one you drive?
What are they queuing up for? What's the tour? Do you know what the tour is? Where it's going to, the boat?
3 o'clock. Or what do we mean?
Yeah, where's the destination?
In the caves.
All right, oh, in the Benagil. Yeah, okay, nice one. Cheers. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Don't think they could speak very good English, but this is Dreamwaves going to Benagil Caves. I think it's a 2-hour. Let's see if we can get the prices there without me waffling on and not knowing what I'm doing. No, there's nothing there. So it looks like one lot are coming off and the other lot are queuing up to get on. Excuse me, my friend, how much is it for the Benagil Caves?
I don't know, my friend.
Is it that one?
Yeah, that's
okay. Hello there, girls. How much is it for the Benagil Caves?
Are you filming me?
I am. Is it okay?
You're not,
No, okay. It's okay. Oh, come on.
Sorry.
How much is it for the Benagil Caves?
35 euros per person.
Is it 2.5-hour trip?
2.5.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, cheers. A little bit shy there. So we've got the children's play area up here, the go-kart track, bit of amusement arcade. You can book your dolphin caves and sailing trips there. You can charter boats from here as well. I've no idea how much it is, but look, all the cafes are full. No way, look at this, like a summer's day. I've actually been here in August and it's not been as busy as this. So there's a dive centre there. SeaCreTours. Whoa, what's this place? The Blue Deck brunch. Happy hour cocktail, €6. Large beer, $2.50. What's a green lager beer? I've never heard of one of them before.
Beer with Blue Curaçao.
Oh, we Curaçao. All right, okay, nice one. And it's right. So the Blue Curaçao changes it green. Got San Martino Italian restaurant there. Very popular. A chain of them all up and down the Algarve. Dish of the day, $15.50. Can't be bad. Lemon drops. This has got some good reviews. Let's see, Sangria, limoncello. Sangria by the glass, $5.50. A litre, $16.50. Or you can do 2 litres for €30.50. It's beer o'clock. Looks lovely. Okay, I'll come and see you 1 minute, mate, yeah? Wow. Let's check that. Look at the views you've got from that terrace, guys. Beautiful. And it's very busy. Il Barrio, tapas restaurant and cocktail bar. Large beer, $2.50. Cocktails, €6. Let's see, they do prime steaks, Portuguese style. Beef Portuguese, €20.80. Beef stew, jardineira. It's a beautiful stew, that, $14.90. If you got that, probably two could share it. It's very, very filling. Grilled salmon fillet, $18.90. Algarve style squid, $16.90. That's a very reasonable price. You can book more tours. What's this one? Belize Lounge. Daily cocktails, €7. Whoa. See, it's that hot, guys. They've still got the sprinklers on. The fans with the sprinklers, he's making the cocktails there, guys. Got Tasca Portuguesa. Looks like that one's closed. Oh, it's not, because there they are on the terrace. Just that the interior was closed and everyone's on the terrace. And you've got the Irish bar, Irish pub Jacks. Now I know it sounds pretty British that, but on a Sunday afternoon, I think it's 6 while 7, they do kazumba dancing up there. It's really busy and it's great fun. All the terraces are full. Oh, ice cream's calling there, guys. Pica na Brasa, that's supposed to be a nice restaurant. It's a steak restaurant. Heard lots of good things about that. And look at all the beautiful, colourful apartments in the background, guys. I think quite a lot of them are Airbnbs, so you can grab yourself a bargain and get yourself located right on the marina. Oh, this is the, you've got pool and there's bowling in there as well. I think there's about 6 or 7 lanes, so that's great for the kids. So if you come as a family, there's plenty of things to do for the kids. Wine and sushi. Heard good things about this place as well. Tuesday to Sunday, 12 or 11 p.m. It's not actually got any prices on. And there's nobody on the terrace. Got Docks Bar. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, it's a shishi bar. Never had one of them yet, not really into that. 25 normal, 35 for the premium. Don't know what that means, guys. Maybe you can drop a message in the comments below, let me know what it is. Tapas bar there, it's closed. It's got a nice little vibe to it today, guys. Nostra Italia. That is actually open, but there's no one on the terrace, just a couple of people in the indoor area there. Sorry, I nearly got my words mixed up. Now this bar, Fat Cats, absolutely really good in here. Food's amazing, gets very, very lively. I recommend you book in the evenings and weekends. I'll just pop in here. They've still got, oh, I better not go near there with the camera. The sprinklers are on. I'll just pop inside. You okay? Wow, yeah, so you can see how busy it is, guys. Very busy outside and also very busy inside. You have the screens with the football on. The food in here is amazing. Very reasonably priced. You okay? Yeah, if you want to check it out, guys, check out our library. Got a great afternoon's entertainment. We actually, when we came, we didn't know, just by chance, there was a live singer on. We had some great fun. We've got Sharky's bar next door. It's also a very popular bar. It's live sports, cocktails and snacks. See if he's got anything. Sharky's. Got a football, Sheffield Wednesday, 12:30, that's Saturday lunchtime. It's got the Singapore Grand Prix. It's got Villa and Burnley, Everton, Crystal Palace, Newcastle and Forest, Brentford and Manchester City. Got the gym up there, Curaçao. You can see the treadmills. I've never actually been in there, and I'm not too sure if that's a 24-hour gym, that. Staffies. Got the Spa supermarket. Not only can you go shopping in there, you can go and have wine and dine in there as well. How nice is that? You've got Lavandaria self-service. And then right at the end, which I've been meaning to try one of these. I think it's a bit too late now, but definitely going to do it next year. The boat houses. Oh, there must still be people on there because the cleaners are there. Look really nice. Take a look at that, guys. Absolutely stunning. If you'd like this little walking tour of Albufeira Marina, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.